Okay, today we're going to take a look at this Triumph Street Tripple R. It's 2019. We're going to grab the camera and we're going to have a good close look all around the bike for you. Okay, let's go and take a close look at this Triumph. It is HPI clear. It's only one former keeper and it does have the spare key in the pack. This is also data tagged as well. And what we'll do, we'll start at the front and we'll work all the way around the bike for you. Get a good close look at the condition. And the colour it is it's a matte silver and matte red, matte black. Does look really nice. And start at the left hand side, work all the way around it. As you can see, and as you'd expect on a bike of this spec, it does have ABS brakes on it. It's got the Brembo ABS brakes. Take a good look on this left hand side. Everything in really nice condition. It has got the additional Triumph protection bars on there as well. Those have been added. Get a good look at everything low down. As you can see there, it's also got the quick shifter on there, the Triumph quick shifter. Let's get a look at the condition of that tank. Get a look at the plastics on this side. Looking at that rear shock and the chain and sprocket, all in great condition there. Let's get a look at that back wheel and tyre. And we'll have a look over the top of the tank and the top of the seat as well. Everything looking spot on there. Get a look at it from the back. And we'll move around to the right hand side. Get a look at that back wheel from this side and the back brake. It has got a really nice custom exhaust on it as well. Good sound on that. We will start it up in a moment so you can listen to that. Really nice welds on that. Looks and sounds great. Get a look in at that rear shock. You can see the data tag on there. Really clean condition, this one. Let's get a look in at the engine on this side. Really nice and clean. See the 3 front pipes there. Again, looking really nice. We'll finish up with this front wheel on the right hand side. What we'll do, we're going to take a look up at the dash and controls, and and we'll get the exact mileage off it. Right, let's take a look up at the controls. So it's pretty standard layout. You've got your front brake, your throttle, hazards, kill switch and starter, and you've got your home button for the menus on the dash, and over on the other side you've got your clutch, you've got your lights, your mode button, then you've got your indicators, horn, and then this button is also a menu button for the dash controls. So we'll turn this on, let's get the mileage off it. As you can see, it's done 2,566 miles. So you've got on this, you're on your mode buttons. If I press mode over on this side, you've then got your riding modes, your bike setup, trip setup, display setup. So in your riding modes, on there you've got rider, rain, road, sport on that, and you've got your bike setup on there, so you can put your indicators on auto cancelling or manual cancelling. You've got your ABS and your traction control, you've got your trip setup on there, display setup, so you can change the style of the clocks, so how they look, you can do that on there, and obviously you've got your reset to defaults on there. Press your home button and it goes back. Okay, we're going to start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in close-up, we can do that and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.